Hey guys, my name's Nate and I'm the Otter Outdoorsman. In this video we're going to be opening up the January Cairn box. It seems they've been doing more with pouches, so who knows? I don't know why they've been doing it, but they've been switching over more to pouches, but we'll figure it out. Cassie's going to be doing a lot more of the handwork this time, this video, because of recent, we'll go with work injuries. My hands are in a lot of pain. So Cassie's going to be doing a lot of the physical work for me. But Cassie, if you want to start opening it up, figure out what's going on inside of it. Okay, so we have one item on, or actually everything is in here. So
we'll just bubble wrap.
Put that in there. And just shove everything back in so we can't see everything.
Okay.
There we go. Let's go with one of these items first. First one is Hiku. Prevents blisters, lasts all day, non-staining, works in wet and dry conditions. So that's the brand. Forms friction layer between socks. Skin and socks prevent feet from blistering and skin damage. Single application, lasts all day. I have a few applications of which I could use this. Not so much with this, where I have some rubbing, like with backpacks and stuff, that I could totally use this with. But I mean, we don't need it now, so it's tough for us to test it on camera. So, but that's pretty cool. Definitely
a big bottle too.
Yeah, so that will definitely last us a while. But like with my Osprey backpack that I have, it rubs me weird on my hips. Mm-hmm. So I've had it kind of give me some weird, not really rashes, but I've had it give me some weird. It's chafed me on my. It's giving me some weird chafing, and something like this, where I've used Body Glide before, which did a good job, but something like this would also come in really handy. Not my Osprey Scarab, but I have a 54 liter overnight pack that I've used. What do we got here? This looks like so it is a piece of clothing. It is, so you don't open this for me? Mm-hmm. I can lift light things, but I can't open things without pain. Being a hand specialist soon. It is underwear. By ExOfficio, Give and Go underwear. It is easy, let me see. Easy care on the road. Wash and sink with soap and rinse, or wear them in the shower. Wring out as much water as possible and lay flat and dry towel. Roll with towel. So it's basically an easy wash travel underwear. Basically, probably good for like camping. I could really get behind having that while camping. Also, seems like it's relatively thin. I'm not going to test it on camera. Test that off camera with commentary, but I'm not going to test that off camera. I don't want to get demonetized. But yeah.
We like monetization.
I don't want this to get beef. I don't want this to get flagged for inappropriateness. But it's by ExOfficio. Give and Go underwear, which is... There we go. Yeah, let me see what it's made out of. It is made out of Nylon and spandex. It's 92% nylon and a bit of spandex. Blue. So,
Good color.
yeah. And I think last but not least, which I'm always looking for good hiking underwear, but I'm never sure which ones to buy. So, this is the first time I've gotten some through this through this box. So then for this one we have a 4 Points energy bar, Trailhead Gingerbread, which is real. It says on the top it's real food, burn energy, macro rich, delicious. So. That's some branding. I'm not gonna try and get you the back stuff, but pretty straightforward ingredients. I mean, it's and it seems like it'd be pretty good. Though at the bottom it says 13 grams of protein, 31 grams of carbs, 11 grams of fat, and 5 grams of fiber. So let's give this one a try. Let's see how it is. I need to stop trying to do things with my hands. At least until they heal. I gotta, don't want to be. That's good. Tastes like a appley gingerbread. What do you think?
I agree with you that it tastes like an appley gingerbread, so I was looking to see if there was actually apple in it or not.
I think it's the fig and plums.
Yeah. There's also cinnamon in there.
Well, I mean, yeah. Well, especially because of figs and plums. Keeps you regular. No, it's good. Let me see. Things I would get definitely the thing that would give you the fruity taste of that would be the figs and the plums. That appliness. I talk with my hands, and for the hand injury that doesn't help. But I think it just, one of the things that I think I can taste a little bit, which isn't too bad, but I think it's the hemp seed in there that is not my favorite thing that I could taste a little bit in there. I think that's where the bitter aftertaste of it's coming from.
There's also molasses in there. That's good.
I like the molasses. I'll grab the other half of. Ow. There we go. But yeah, it's definitely. I'm definitely really liking this one, and this is probably going to end up being another one of those brands I kind of keep an eye out for 4 Points, because this is definitely a good one. Because it's, when it comes to like date bar, it's similar in texture to a date bar, but it's made primarily with plums and figs. And the problem is a lot of date bars have been done to death with me. And this one, at least, is, unlike most of the date bars out there, are much more firm. And almost is very much more like akin to a brownie, texture-wise. Is almost like those brownies you would get out of like a vending machine, texture-wise.
Oh yeah.
If you've ever gotten one of those, but tastes better. Has the texture of one of those brownies, has kind of a taste of cinnamon applesauce, with a little extra ginger in it, and yeah, so it's a really good winning combination for me.
I like it. It's yummy.
I actually like describing the taste so you guys, if you want to look for it, you can. But out of the 3 items, so this one is a light one, but I really do like the underwear. I can always use more hiking underwear. Which one did you like?
I like this.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
Because sometimes you get blisters on your feet from wear shoes.
Yeah. And again, I'm really impressed that it's such a big bottle. It's 5.5 ounces. And like, I know with a lot of other stuff like this, they give you just like, probably like an ounce. So it's just like a large quantity of it. It's kind of nice.
Yeah. But I'd be interested to see what you guys think. If you are, now I'm going to put up a card to see which one you guys like. Do you like the Hiku that's really good for kind of helping lubricate your skin to prevent blisters? Is it the ExOfficio, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but I always do, underwear? Or is it the 4-point bar energy bar? You can vote for that in the iCard that's going to be up there in the poll. And vote for your favorite item up there. We've each chosen our favorite item. Mine being the underwear. But anyways, we'll see you guys next month, or we'll see what comes in next box month. I'll see you next week. I don't know why I said that. It's a crazy month with me. See you guys later. Remember, get outside, have fun. See everyone.